Good day everybody, I am your host Ali Ratha from TechWrath TV, and in today's quick tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can use image mask in WordPress Elementor. Let's kick off. Alright, this is just the standard WordPress that has been installed. If you are following our course, you will see that we've installed just the plugins, Elementor Pro. I want to show it to you guys. Elementor Pro, that's it. And with the pages, we've just made a home page, and at the moment home page is just blank. This is the footer we did in our last tutorial, and this is how the website looks. So what I'm going to show you guys, how you can mask an image in a column as a background, and you can mask image as an element. So the first thing we're going to do is press plus flexbox, and I'm going to use 50-50. Here I'm going to show you the column, and this is where I'm going to show you the image. I'm going to click plus, get the image element, put it in, click this to choose the image. I've already uploaded an image. You guys can use anyone, and in this tutorial the image dimension that I'm going to use is going to be a square, so 1000 by 1000, and you select it, right? So you've seen a lot of masking techniques. So because we've added the element, you need to go to advanced, minimize the layout, and you'll see this mask option in Elementor. It's in Elementor Pro as well, both one. Click this one and then turn on the mask. So there you get a circular shape. So it's given by default. You'll get few shapes that you can use, and you must have now realized that people use, a lot of designers use this, so you can have any shape you like, whichever fits your requirement or whichever fits your design, right? So what if you want to customize a mask, right? You want to build a custom shape. So what you can do is you can go to any design tool. I use Photopia. I'll show you what I've done. So we just done 1000 by 1000. I've just put on my paint, picked up a soft brush from the top, and all I've done is I've just made a rough design right there. All right, and I've made the background invisible, file export as PNG, and I've already uploaded this into my design. This color has to be just one color, so needs to be one color, could be any color, so I've just chosen gray. Coming back to mask, click custom mask, and it will ask you to upload the image, which I already have selected, and there you got it. There you have it. So you can have this kind of design in images. Now second option is the size. I'm going to fill it up, or if you want to design like a custom one, this is where you can put the design. You want to show it a little smaller, you want to show the whole thing just a little bit. So this is where your custom design will come. Position as well, you can choose whatever position you want this to be. I'm going to show you the x-axis, so we're going to change the x-axis, and we're going to change the y-axis. So this moves up and down. I'm just going to say tell it to go to left, center, top, and right. If it's not changing, that's fine. We're just going to publish and refresh. Sometimes Elementor has these issues. All you need to do is just refresh the page. And now with respect to masking, with custom positions, you see it's gone to -90 already. So if I'm going to change this, it does change this masking position. I'm going to say repeat, no repeat, top, center, left, and fill's option is just going to fill it. So that's how you can do in an image. Now what about the column? If I go to the column here and I pick this as my background image, let's just say something like this, right? So here, if you go to advanced, there is no masking option, so you need to put in a custom CSS. Now fortunately, I've already made a custom CSS for this one, which I will share with you guys There's going to be a link for Patreon post where you guys can go, and it's free. You can go and copy it from there. Okay, and while you're there, you guys can support the channel and subscribe for free, or if you've got paid tiers as well, if this helps you. Now, go to, remember, we're not going in the element section, we're going in the column section, the container. Go to custom CSS and just paste this. So in this CSS, I'm going to show you what we've done. All right, so what I've done is, in this is the URL for the image that you want to use as a mask, and this is also the URL of the image. All you can do is go to your media, click the image, and this is where the URL is going to come in. You guys can just copy and paste it there. I've already done it. Once this is done, what you need to do is, this is the important section. This is the name of the class that we have. You're going to copy it, go to layout, scroll a little down, and you'll see this CSS classes. Just paste the class name, and you'll see the column now has the masking. So you guys can play around with the element masking. The option is already there, or you can get the CSS to mask a column. Now this masking works for a video as well, which I'm going to do in the next tutorial. It works with any text you have in the column, or any image in the background, or in the as an element. So this gives you a lot of flexibility. The CSS will be free, provided the link will be in the description, guys. I do post my content on Patreon. That's where I'm trying to grow my community to support the channel as well. I hope this has helped you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to ask either in the comment section, or you guys can send a message in Patreon as well. This is a complete course for WordPress. So if you have no programming experience or designing experience, you can build your own business, own project, own startup, or for clients as well. You can design and develop the website very quickly. So we're going to bring in about 14-15 small videos for this one. I hope you guys liked it. Do not forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and wait for more stuff coming up for WordPress as well, especially. I am your host, Ali Rathor. Don't forget to support us on Patreon as well. The link will be in the description below. Thank you very much, guys. Take care. Stay safe. Bye-bye.